Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on length. The metric system is very popular in many countries around the world when using units of measurement. Some of the most popular units with respect to length are as follows. 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres. 1 metre is 100 centimetres. And 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres. The abbreviation for the above four lengths are as follows. The kilometre is km, the metre is m, the centimetre is cm, and the millimetre is mm. Now let's look at some simple conversion exercises. Convert each of the following to the given units. So, example 1. Convert 4.7 centimetres to millimetres. Now, remembering these conversions here, that will help us greatly. Since there are 10 millimetres in a centimetre, we have 4.7 centimetres equals 4.7 times 10, and that answer will be in millimetres. So that's 47 millimetres. So 4.7 centimetres is 47 millimetres. Example 2. Convert 7.84 metres to centimetres. Since there are 100 centimetres in a metre, we have 7.84 metres equals 7.84 times 100 centimetres, which is 784 centimetres. So 7.84 metres is 784 centimetres. Example 3. Convert 3.8 metres to millimetres. The solution. Since there are 1,000 millimetres in a metre, we have 3.8 metres equals 3.8 by 1,000, and that answer will be in millimetres. So 3.8 metres will be 3,800 millimetres. Example 4. Tom travelled 1.8 kilometres to the shop to buy some bread. How far is this in centimetres? Solution. Since there are 100 centimetres in a metre and 1,000 metres in a kilometre, we have that 1.8 kilometres will be 1.8 times 100 times 1,000, and that gives us the answer in centimetres. So 1.8 kilometres will be 180,000 centimetres. So this video has looked at the metric system with respect to length, and we have looked at some of the very common lengths that we use to measure various distances, and we've seen some simple conversions.